The good thing with Foot in the Door project is they understand that the kind of traditional thing where people maybe go in and work for somebody, say 3 months unpaid, isn't necessarily sustainable for everybody, and that really there should be ways of supporting people to make sure that they can actually learn and still sort of get by as well. I learned quite a lot from my Foot in the Door placement. I sort of learned like a lot of different skills on that sort of side of it, but also the dynamic as to how the different departments work on set. That was really invaluable.
He came to me and we had an initial interview and we talked through the process and mapped out what his learning experience would be. And Jason very, very quickly showed that he could handle varied tasks. And so I think by the end of the first week, he was pretty much an integral part of the team already. I
definitely think that the Foot in the Door scheme has inspired me to sort of continue my journey within the media industry, especially because I really didn't know of any other way to sort of get into it, as it kind of seems like something that's quite closed off.
At Good Gate Media, we're very keen to bring people into the industry who don't usually have access. It's very normal to get trainees and new starters from universities and film schools, but finding people who haven't gone that route is very difficult. And I think Foot in the Door provide a key service in finding people from different locales, different backgrounds, and giving them a way in. And Jason is testament to how important that is, because he turned out to be a very valuable asset to the production.
After I worked for Good Gate Media, I've had roles both within the sound department and as a runner, and I'm looking for more opportunities within those areas, and I think that I feel more confident in kind of going for them now and knowing how to expand my skill set.